Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin market. Have we finally reached the amazing altcoin run? I think it's beginning. I think people are getting a little bit antsy, but let's talk about it. So we've seen a lot of pumpage in a lot of altcoins today. This morning was pretty crazy. I mean, DOT up. Oh, DOT up 60% over the last couple days. Big performers. So DOT was doing really good. Crow has been doing decent. And that one slowed down a little bit. But XRP has been doing crazy. We're up 40% in the last. Let's go to the daily. We're up over the last couple days, doing a lot of pumping here. Even FET is getting a little bit of love, which has been unloved for a little bit. Let's pull up some crypto bubbles and talk about what we got going on here. Look at some of these movers we got. XLM is doing really good. So I just talked about XLM yesterday. I had some XLM from, one of the first cycles and had added a little bit more. I saw a lot of people talking about XLM while they were talking on XRP, and I didn't take advantage of that as much as I should have. I could have bought a lot of XLM. I increased my XRP holding a little bit. I had some XLM. I saw a couple videos about it. What was that? Maybe a week or two ago, talking about how the government was going to adopt XLM and XRP for payment systems. And I kind of thought like, oh, I don't know that I quite believe that. So I didn't really go buy a bunch of XLM. But guess what? It's up. I talked about NEO the other day. I said, I think NEO is going to be a big play for this alt market. It's the Chinese Ethereum. And I think, with China legalizing it, cryptocurrency that is, that NEO is going to do a big pump. NEO has, has been active ever since. What's another one? DOT. I had a lot of DOT that has been way, 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 way down. And we saw some love on DOT, so that's pretty cool. What else we got going on in here that I have a lot of? Not too much. FET, nice pump by FET. I do have a pretty big holding of FET. I showed you my entire portfolio yesterday, so if you want to see my entire altcoin portfolio, check out that video from yesterday. Let's go and do some of the smaller coins. What do we got here? So nothing else crazy that I have here. Litecoin, of course, as soon as I got rid of it, it's gone. We'll go down to the 100 to 200 coins. What do we got in here? SPX. I've been trying to get a hold of SPX, but I can't find an exchange that you can buy SPX on. I heard a lot of people saying it was a scam coin, but it just continues to go up. So I don't know. What else do we have in here? Ron is a gaming coin and not. I made a video on not a couple days ago. And I said, I think NOT is going to be a massive coin this cycle. And it's up 14% today. So it broke out of a channel. Let me just show you NOT real quick. I made a video on NOT a couple days ago, a solo video on NOT. And I said, hey, I think it was about right here where I made it. Maybe right after this pump and this pullback. And I said, buy some NOT. We're out of this descending channel. But when NOT first came out, it's a meme coin / gaming coin on the Ton network. When it first came out, I bought in right here and it was up 150% in the matter of a couple days. So there was a lot of want for this coin. So I think this one could get picked up sometime in the near future. I think that one is going to be pretty decent. What else we got going on here? I've heard a lot of people talk about AIOZ. What else we got going on here? Nothing crazy. We got Pendle doing a little bit of a move. Nexo. I just picked up some Nexo. I had a couple comments on a couple YouTube videos saying they're looking at Nexo. So what I like to do is I like to just buy a little bit of it and then I put it in my portfolio tracker and then I just kind of see how it performs. If it continues to do well, then maybe I buy some more. Ape is another coin I've been aping into. I have a decent amount of Ape because I look at the curve on Ape actually. Let me show you Ape real quick. Talk about Ape. This one, if you go to like a weekly chart, I mean, look at how down in the dumps this is. Look at this price action. So if Ape were to go back to its all-time high, that's 2,000%. 2,000. Now, coins don't always go back to their all-time high. So, it's kind of like, you can say, all right, if we blast back to our all-time high, this is what I'm guaranteed to get. But you're not always guaranteed to go back up there, right? So don't always use that, because sometimes that means this crypto is weak and maybe it doesn't have a chance to get back up in there. So I bought a lot of Barsic yesterday. It just got listed on Bitunix. Bitunix is doing a great job of listing very small meme coins, and I love it. I purchased this one literally last night when they listed it on Bitunix, and I'm up like 100% on it. So I dumped like $1,000 in there last night when they listed it, because I've seen a lot of people getting some big gains on this coin. If you want to buy these little meme coins, use my link below to sign up for Bitunix. I have an affiliate link below for Bitunix, excuse me. And if you want to buy some of these smaller coins, or if you want to leverage trade, I would definitely recommend Bitunix. So use that link below. It helps me out, helps you out, reduces your fees a lot. So, and they have some really good newcomer bonuses right now, up to $5,500. So you can get this coin. It was just listed last night on Bitunix. So if you want to purchase it, I can't use MEXC in America. Almost all of these exchanges I can't use. So I am only really allowed to use Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Bitunix. So I've been buying the small coins on Bitunix, hoping they get picked up, because I'm hoping that altcoin season is going to start here very quickly. And it looks like it's picking up. So we'll see what happens here. I thought Grass was actually a meme coin. It is not. It is a TradFi coin or something like that. I was looking to that one the other day. I do a lot of research on these little coins, just trying to find some little hidden gems. So I'm just kind of just going through and just reminding myself which ones I think are going to do pretty decent. SNEC is another one that I wish I could buy, but I can't find it. It's not on any exchanges I have access to in America, unfortunately. So I have not been able to buy SNEC. I was trying to. They do have dogs on Bitunix as well. They have Hamster. They have Sun. A lot of these coins are on Bitunix and not on other ones. I have Cat now. So we're doing really good on some of the ones that I've purchased off Bitunix. Some of the really little ones. I really like the really small ones. You know, it's obviously pretty much like gambling if you buy very, very small coins, right? So just be careful. It's kind of like a lotto card, right? You know, sometimes you just kind of got to accept that your money's gone, but if it goes up, then you should be happy. So it kind of just works like that. Ponky is another one that I've been buying into that I really like. That one is not really taken off yet, so I'm hoping sometime soon. That's pretty much all the ones I know on this list. Let's continue. We'll go just a little bit deeper. I don't want to get too deep in here because, you know, a lot of these are going to be hard to find. Sundog, another one that's on Bitunix that I really like. Fred, what's Fred? Where can I get Fred? This guy's up 123%. What is this? Let's go check this guy out. So what I like to do is I see something like this. I see some momentum in one of these coins. We're going to go, all right, Fred, where are you, Fred? Fred, ooh, 100 mil market cap. Where can I find this guy? And then I go here. And then if you press CEX, it just goes to exchanges and not decentralized exchanges. So yeah, see, there's no way for me to get this one. MEXC is illegal. BitGet's illegal. All these are illegal in the United States. Yeah, these are all illegal. Okay, so I can't get that one. So the other way you could do it is you could go to a decentralized exchange. That's what DEX means. You could use like Radium. So you could, you know, trade Solana. I think Radium is Solana based. You could use a DEX to buy it, but otherwise, I kind of trust exchanges. I haven't messed with DEXs. I'm not saying that they're not great. I'm sure they are great. I just haven't messed with it, so I'm just not familiar. So I kind of just stay away from it. I have plenty of coins, so I don't need to, you know, I think I have like 1,000 freaking altcoins in my portfolio. So got plenty of stuff to mess around with. It's kind of hard to track all this stuff, obviously. So yeah, but that's what we got going on. I got one other thing. So let's go to intothecryptoverse.com. I want to show you the altcoin market and where I think we are. And we'll talk about that because I think we could be starting altcoin market kind of soon. And I still think you're early. So I don't think it's super risky to buy a lot of stuff right now because I still think we're early. If you're watching this video, I think you're still earlier than a lot of retail. You can see we're not even to 50%. Altcoin market is basically when you get up into this red band over here. Another thing that'll tell you we are in the altcoin market is Bitcoin dominance. You can see if we go to like the weekly Bitcoin dominance and we zoom out here, you can see Bitcoin dominance is going up. As long as it's trending up, we are not in alt season, okay? You can see I've put some markers right here, you can see what it looks like. You know, here's altcoin season starts right here. Look at just the straight up just drop in dominance. That doesn't necessarily mean Bitcoin is going down. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. This is just Bitcoin, you know, basically divided by the entire altcoin market. So just the percentage that's that's Bitcoin, sorry. So the price of Bitcoin could be staying perfectly still, and Bitcoin dominance could be going down because altcoin pairs are going up on their US dollar pair, or they could even both be going up. So Bitcoin could still be going up, but altcoins are going up more, and that would still cause Bitcoin dominance to drop. So that's very important to understand. I think once we break below this 57% right here, I think we're going to see some big drops in Bitcoin dominance, and that's going to signal when the altcoin market starts. And I think that's going to happen real soon. I think it's going to happen. If it doesn't, if this already isn't the beginning to it, I think it's going to start probably by January. So we'll see what happens. I am still accumulating small altcoins on Bitunix and my other exchanges. I'm using crypto.com, Coinbase, and Bitunix. Those are the 3 exchanges that I like. They're legal in America, and I trust them. So that's what I am purchasing most of my coins on. I've talked about a lot of them. Here's my meme list that I've been buying. These are a lot of the coins that I like on this list here. So feel free. Oh, it's kind of blocked by my head a little bit, but you can see the list here. I have a lot of Bonk, Ponky. I really like this TARS AI coin. It's down 10% today, it looks like, but I'm a big fan of this one. It's been performing pretty well. I purchased a lot of it down in here, and it went up about 60%. So that's one I like. I like this Barsic one. This is a new meme that came out fairly recently. I have a lot of this pizza coin, which is, some of these are very small market caps. Like, I think this pizza coin's like, I don't even know, 20 million market cap, maybe less. So a lot of these I'm just kind of hoping and gambling on here. I tried to kind of just look at the market cap, and I try to look at the price action, right? So I try to, you know, new coins I think are pretty good that have just been listed recently. But again, I'm really focusing on market cap. I want to get a lot of market caps that are below 200 million. So that's kind of been my goal, is just kind of accumulate some of these as wild cards, as, you know, lotto cards, and see what happens. But anyways, that's what's going on in the alt market. I hope this continues. We sometimes see pullbacks in December-ish. So just, if coins are going down, don't get scared and dump them. Just hold on, guys, because the altcoin season is coming. And I think people are going to get their faces blasted off in altcoin season. So now is the time to accumulate, and don't have weak hands. Do not sell at a loss. I mean, unless something is like really badly performing and you're trying to swap it out for something that you think is going to perform better, that's totally fine. But don't just like get scared, sell, and hold cash expecting there to be another drop. There may be another drop in December. There's really no way to predict that. But just hold tight, and I think we're going to see a ripping altcoin market. So anyways, that's going to be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, any interaction with the channel really helps me out. My channel is tiny. I'm not getting a lot of interaction. So leave a comment, press the like button, press the subscribe button if you're enjoying the content. And if you want to try out Bitunix, I'm loving the exchange. Use my link below. Gives you a nice discount on fees, and there's some great newcomer bonuses. You can get a lot of these really small meme coins if you want to try the strategy I'm doing. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I do. I kind of enjoy it, you know. I guess maybe I'm just a degenerate gambler at heart, but it's really fun buying these little coins like this one. You know, I woke up this morning to a notification on my phone saying Barsic is up 120%, and I was like, hell yeah, I put $1,000 in that last night, so that's pretty sweet. So I've been enjoying it. It's fun for me. You know, I'm even considering kind of quitting gaming because I'm enjoying just doing this stuff so much. And you know, as a side note, you're making a lot of money if you make some good predictions here. So that's it. Have a great day, everyone. See you guys.